somebody to work for me.
Welcome back. You just saw a clip from the newest up-and-coming feature film, PLIGHT, telling a story of struggle, resilience, and change.
This weekend, you will have the chance to catch it on the big screen during its red carpet premiere. But first, we sit down with one of the creators of the film, Mr. Justin Lee. Justin, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us about the story within the movie PLIGHT.
Yeah, so PLIGHT, it discusses socioeconomic issues. It talks about health disparities in the Black community and how vulnerabilities and our faith can help encourage each other over trials, circumstances, and adversity.
Talk about your inspiration for creating the film.
Yeah, I mean, the project is a faith-based project. It focuses on faith, prayer, and us uplifting and building one another, as a community. I was a part of the furlough, as well as, a part of the current administration, and I know we've gone through a lot as far as people being laid off, folks not having enough health insurance, to take care of their family members, even, going to food banks, just to afford the basic necessities. And so you can't do it individually. It takes a collective group, a community, and us working together to truly make a difference.
Yeah, and you just mentioned the collective group. So what was it like to work with the cast and crew for this film?
Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful thing, working with so many talented individuals and also being able to invest, back into the community. We're working with a lot of entrepreneurs within the local DMV area, as well as investing in businesses as far as location scouting, working with different churches, working with different civic organizations. So it's not just a film, it's more of a community-based project that we're now bringing, to the big screen.
And when it comes to making a film, I'd imagine it's a lot of fun, but it's also a lot of work. Talk about some of the challenges you guys face putting this film together.
Yeah, sure. I mean, our project, it was funded independently, so it's self-funded. So obviously, the revenue to put the production on, also coordinating, the location scouting, audition casting, preparing, meals for craft, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, coordinating times. We had 12, 13, 14-hour days of filming for nearly 12 days straight. So there's a lot of work and energy and resources invested. So now, we're finally able to enjoy the fruit of our labor.
And why was it important to put local talent on the big screen?
For sure. I mean, when you think about movies, immediately you think about California and LA, New York, but the DMV is mostly known, for obviously, the music culture, with go-go, but, not having a huge reputation for film. So being able to bring that to the screen and actually show the multi-talents, that our people, can offer, it's a pleasure and an honor for me to take that lead.
And it's no secret, we just made it to the new year, January 2026. Why do you think it was important to tell this film right now?
Oh my goodness. When you think about just the hardship and the current posture of America right now, it's no better time than now. You see people in Minneapolis, young lady just got shot by the police. There are people coming off a 45-day, government shutdown. People are still, laid off from their jobs, and no place, to go. So a lot of people don't have the resources and, the finances to pay their bills. So, I mean, what other time do we need a project like this that is uplifting, positive, and shining light on a lot of issues that people are facing, on a day-to-day basis?
So tell us about the red carpet premiere and what people can expect.
Yeah, sure. So the premiere is January the 17th. It starts at 7 o'clock. We're having a panel discussion with several of our cast and production mates. And the film is going to start, promptly at 8 o'clock, and it'll conclude at 10. It's at the Brandywine Xscape Theater, and we've got a lot of fun and excitement. We have, obviously interviews, scheduled. It's a red carpet event, so people are coming, out wearing, black ties and, beautiful gowns and dresses. So it's just going to be a fun and exciting evening for us to celebrate all of the hard work and accomplishments, that everyone's invested into making this project a reality.
And what's the one takeaway you want people to walk away with when they see the film?
Yeah, so we think about the awakening. This is a time for us to unite and not, you know, be oblivious to what's going on in the culture, what's going on in the politics, but it's a time for us to rally and a time for us to work together as a community to truly make a difference.
Well, thank you so much, Justin. It's been a pleasure to learn about your film.
Thank you all.
Thank you. The red carpet premiere event for PLIGHT will be this Saturday, January 17th from 7 to 10 p.m. at the Brandywine Xscape Theater.
To get your tickets, you can go to plight-film.com/tickets.
And coming up, it's almost time for our Wednesday sports page.
And I heard there was a heated matchup last night. What's going on, Simon?
Good move, sports fans, because our highlights from the wrestling match coming